Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry beef and peppers. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including colorful bell peppers and about 1 pound of flank steak. Next, slice the beef thinly against the grain, which ensures maximum tenderness. Then, prepare a quick marinade with soy sauce, a touch of cornstarch, and a dash of sesame oil to infuse flavor into the meat. Now, let's cook the beef. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a tablespoon of oil. Sear the marinated beef in small batches for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, just until browned. Overcrowding the pan will steam the meat, so work in batches. Once cooked, remove the beef and set it aside on a plate. With the beef set aside, it's time for the vegetables. Add a little more oil to your hot pan and stir-fry the sliced bell peppers and any other desired vegetables, like onions or snap peas, for 3 to 5 minutes until they are crisp tender. Pour in your prepared stir-fry sauce, allowing it to thicken slightly. Finally, return the cooked beef to the pan and toss everything together to coat evenly. Your delicious beef and pepper stir-fry is almost ready. Garnish it with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or freshly chopped green onions for extra flavor and visual appeal. Serve this vibrant dish immediately over fluffy white rice or your favorite noodles for a satisfying and complete meal. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Also, for an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean after cooking, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.